Hello, in this lecture I will teach about logical operators. Logical operators is a symbol that operates logically to compare two conditions. After the comparison, the result can either be true or false. Standard logical operators in this lecture are and, or, and not. Let's start with and. Declare the variable. Then create conditions. First condition is 10 is greater than 5, and connect with and. Second condition. And operator is evaluated to true if either of two conditions are true. That is, first condition is true, and second condition is true. In this case, first condition is true because 10 is greater than 5. Second condition is also true because 20 is greater than 10. Let's see the result. Start. You see the result is true because both conditions are true. If one of the conditions is false, or both of the conditions are false, the result will be false. I will test this statement. Leave the first true, but the second condition is false, and run the program. The result is false. I will change here too. 10 is less than 5, and 20 is greater than 10. First condition is false, and second condition is true. Run the program. We will find the result is false because one of the conditions is false, which is 10 is less than 5. To sum up, for and, both conditions have to be true so that the result is true. Next, the or operator. Replace and with or. Or is evaluated false in only one case, which is when both conditions are false. 10 is less than 5 is false, and 20 is greater than 10 is true. So the result has to be true because there is one condition that is true. Press the F5 key. See, the result is true. Now I will make both conditions to be false by changing from greater than to equal to. Test by running the program. We will find the result is false. In conclusion, or will be evaluated to be false in only one case, where both conditions are false. In any other cases, the result will always be true. Next, the not operator that reverses value from true to false or from false to true. Place not in front of result, like this. Run the program. We will find that the result is true because not switches from true to false and from false to true. I will end this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.